Wow, it's amazing to know that it's been 1 year since we started Global Children Welfare and Empowerment Foundation charity. I am honored to be here. I'm honored to say thank you to everyone that has supported our vision. I'm honored to say we appreciate all your efforts, all your support. It's been an amazing progress from the beginning till now, and we are believing God that it's going to be a wonderful journey all the way, even as we progress. As we mark this milestone today, we are grateful for all your support given to us all the way. We say thank you. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all our board of trustees, our supporters in all dimensions. If you have watched and listened to our videos on our social media handles, we appreciate you. Peradventure, you have liked us, we appreciate you. We appreciate your kind gesture. Peradventure, you have shared it with your friends and family. We appreciate you all the way, and we say thank you. We look forward to greater days, greater months, and greater years ahead. And we trust that you will travel with us on this profound journey, even as we make progress. Thank you. We appreciate you all. Thank you very much. God bless.